everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we're going to make something from Peru. Peruvian style roasted chicken with salsa ají verde. So what we got to do is we got to marinate the chicken overnight first before oven roasting it. And what we got here is ají panca, which is a hot pepper paste from Peru. And let me tell you something, folks, it's really not hot. Okay? Hey, I'd say it's medium. We need juice of limes. We got 1/3 cup of olive oil, cumin, salt and pepper, cheaters garlic, sugar, 2 tablespoons. I'm sorry, 1 tablespoon, and black pepper. So let's get going. Okay, so we got the jar, 7.5 ounce jar of ají panca in the container, the bowl, and it's Peruvian hot, but for reference it would be Mexican medium. Okay, Peruvians don't eat as picante food as Mexicans do. Alright, to that we're going to add the juice of 2 fresh squozen limes, and that smells delightful. 4 equivalent of 4 cloves of cheaters garlic, probably a little bit more, but that's fine. Sugar and ground, coarse ground black pepper. No, I'm sorry, that was a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of ground oregano leaf. Here we have a tablespoon of sea salt, coarse ground black pepper, and cumin, and a 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. In this case I'm using Terra Creta Greek olive oil from Crete. So let's mix that up. Well, it doesn't look like I needed the whisk after all. This mixed up and emulsified very nicely. So let's go ahead and get it with the chicken in the bag. Okay, so here we go. We got 8 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, a total of 4 pounds of chicken, and we're going to massage these a little bit, get them all nice and painted and marinated, and they're going in the fridge overnight. And we're going to go ahead and cook them tomorrow, so join me then. Alright, through the miracle of time, today is now tomorrow, and we are going to start preparing the ají verde. What we got here is 1 bunch of spring onions, 1 bunch of fresh cilantro, 2 tablespoons of cheaters garlic, 1/4 cup of olive oil. We're going to need the juice of 2 limes, and we are going to do something that is not authentic. We're going to jazz it up with Tango Verde. This is my favorite seasoning from the Tango Spice Company. I'll put the link below. Go check it out. He's got so many good flavors in there, but this is going to go very well with the ají. We use Huacatay. Now, I learned yesterday when I bought this jar, it's Huacatay is how you pronounce it. It's black mint. It's minty, oregano-y type of plant that grows in Peru. I've grown it before. Whatever. And we need the Aji Amarillo. This is a hot pepper chili spread made with these unique ajís in Peru. But again, just like I described before, it is not hot. I would call it medium. So let's get going. We're going to pulse all this up in the Cuisinart. Now we're preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and we got these beautiful chicken thighs well marinated, and we're going to roast them in the oven for about an hour till the skin gets crispy and everything's cooked really well. That marinade is smelling really good. I want to give a shout out to Fred over at Mr. Mega Fred Zeppelin. He needs 20 subscribers to hit the 2,000 subscriber mark. So go over and check out his YouTube channel. I'm going to put the link in the notes below. And like and subscribe. Tell him the Rivet sent you. And help him out. If you like grilling, steaks, pizza, emergency vehicles, and fire trucks, you're going to love his channel. So go check him out. After a couple iterations in the Cuisinart, We've combined all the stuff. It has a nice consistency and a very bright and pleasing flavor. Alright, here we have it. After 1 hour at 375, these are temping out at 170, so they're perfectly done. 175. We got our potatoes, little Peruvian potatoes, boiled in the water as salty as the sea. And we got our Aji Verde, but that's not all. We got to put another side in here. And John Davis, I know you're always excited about my sides. We have tostones made with maduro plantains. A toston, excuse me, is a twice fried plantain. And what they do is they take like half-inch, quarter-inch thick slices of plantain and fry them till they're soft, then pull them out and smash them flat, and then refry them until they're crispy. The sweetness is delightful. Okay, so let's cut the chicken. Oh man, look how steamy and tasty it looks. Okay, so we're going to do a first tasting of just the marinade. Wow. That permeated the whole chicken. That is really good. Kind of garlicky. Crap ton of umami. Vaguely taste cumin in the background. Definitely some lime flavor. That is really, really good. Alright, now let's try the Aji Verde. And we're going to use a little potato to dip in there. And this is how you eat this stuff. Wow. Those blue potatoes are so nutty tasting. That sauce, it's like a strobe light of flavor in your mouth. Garlic, lime, cilantro, what's there not to like? Plus that Aji Panca, Aji Amarillo rather, gives it a nice zing. And the Huacatay, that black mint, oh, the flavor's definitely in there. And that's really good stuff. That is integral to this recipe. It gives that unique, authentic flavor. You can get Aji Amarillo and Huacatay at online retailers, or if you got a Latin market, you know, you can find it there. These tostones are magnificent. I love plantain. And they're sweet, so they got a nice accompaniment to the chicken. Now if you want your skin a little crispier, once it's ready, put it under the broiler for about 2 minutes. I guess I should have done that, but the chicken skin is really good. Man, you eat this and you feel like you're at a restaurant in downtown Lima. That is good stuff. Hey, thanks for watching, people. Y'all take care.